You never know what will happen if you make a viral video. The first viral video that I made was an accident. I was working for Microsoft at the time, and I thought it would be a good idea to quit by not writing a resignation letter, but by singing a resignation song. So I put it up on YouTube, and it was a nice song, and it was nerdy, so I wasn't expecting it to go viral. But as it turns out, Microsoft employee quits with song makes for a really good news headline. So it was up on TechCrunch, and it got covered in a bunch of other blogs. Now, I left Microsoft to join a company called Exec. And I got to see firsthand how reporters don't always check their facts. Exec sings goodbye to Microsoft on YouTube. According to the internet, I was 23 years old and a Microsoft executive. So I learned how news spreads, and I started making viral videos on purpose, armed with this knowledge. I've made a bunch of videos since then, and I'm going to share with you my tips for how to make a video go viral. I'm going to play a short clip from one of my videos, and the reason why I chose this video is because I am almost certain that it wouldn't have gone viral had I not done just a ton of marketing for it. The video is called DUNUT Selfie. So it keeps going, but you get the point. How to do a donut selfie. You take a phone and you make a donut around your head. Ta-da! After a week, this video had 1 million views. Tip number 1 on how to make a video go viral: hop on a trend. Now, this is basically just a sweeping camera technique. We've seen it in Michael Bay movies. But I called it not a camera technique, but a selfie. Because love it or hate it, everyone has an opinion about a selfie, and reporters know this. They know that if they write an article about a selfie, people are going to comment about it, and that's going to increase likes and engagements and all the things that reporters want to see. So I emailed all reporters who had ever written anything about selfies, selfie sticks, Kim Kardashian, anything selfie related. And sure enough, they wrote about it. If you want to make something go viral, think about what reporters are already writing about and hop on that trend. Tip number 2, fake it till you make it. How do you start a trend? You need followers. How do you get followers? You can sort of fake your first few, which is what I did. I made this donut selfie video, and then I also got some friends to also make a donut selfie video. And sure enough, that way, I could email reporters and say, hey, there's this new selfie technique that people are doing. Never mind that those people were 3 of my friends. Cosmo, behold the donut selfie, the insane new selfie trend that's going viral. When they wrote this article, only 12 people had ever done a donut selfie. But people saw it, it became a self-fulfilling prophecy. Tip number 3, make other people look good. Why do we share things? We share things because it makes us look good, clever, interesting, smart. So if you want someone to share something, think about not how you can make yourself look good, but how you can make other people look good, which was why I released a series of donut selfie tutorials so other people would also know how to make this cool matrix bullet time effect around their head. And sure enough, they did. It was on Good Morning America, America's Next Top Model. Someone spent their wedding day donut selfieing. People did it all around the world. After about a week, this trend was spreading, and I got an email from Beats by Dre. And they told me that they wanted to turn this concept into their global holiday commercial. So, premiering on the Thanksgiving Day football game was this commercial. Wow, that was so crazy. I never would have thought that something like that could happen. I used to be a designer, and then I made all these viral videos, and people started asking me to make videos for them. So I changed careers, and now I became a commercial director. And I love what I do. You never know what's going to happen if you make a viral video.